Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1255 of What's She Up To Now. Strange filter blew my head up again. I think on this segment until Facebook changes the way they do filters, I'm going to stop using them altogether. Now, I'm kind of tired today. Yesterday night, the night before last, had a sleepover with my granddaughter, my niece, two of my sisters, my nephew, son, well, I guess my great niece and my great nephew, and my granddaughter. And we went to one of my sister's houses and had a sleepover. And we did lots of crafty, fun things, played games, had a blast, watched a movie, got exhausted, went to bed late, got up, had a full, fun morning. But my son came over and made breakfast for everybody, and all kinds of activities with family in town. We went to a movie. It was rainy out, but we still had lots of more craft activities and fun things going. So even though I made my videos yesterday, I did not get them posted all over. They were on Facebook, and that was about it. So today I will share those, and then I'll share today's videos as well. I think when I was on vacation one time I had to do that too. I had made my videos ahead of time, but I didn't get them posted until like late one night. But yesterday, after I got home, watched my other granddaughter, and so I just did not get to post them because I was exhausted. And sometimes we're zonked out, we're tired, we're exhausted, we're pooped, and we don't do the things that we really want to get done. Rarely happens, but I made the choice to get some sleep instead of worrying about posting them. And since it was the end of the day, and probably most of my normal followers were asleep and had, they weren't there for them during the day as it was. So I made the choice to rest, which sometimes that's what we have to do. We have to take a break and rest versus doing some of the things that we want to get done. And it's not like it's absolutely essential that people know what I'm up to every day, right? I like these cool sunglasses because they're hiding my tired eyes. We actually, for our Supersize Your Business post today, shared 23 tired idioms about being tired. Now, some idioms we're just tired of because they're so well reused that they seem cliche. But today I just shared different ways of expressing the feeling of being tired and invited people to share what do they do when they're tired to keep their business still going, but take the break, take the rest, take the time off that they need. And then I'll share in the comments below some of the things that I do, because I do set systems and practices and procedures and routines and habits and delegate and put things in place so that even when I'm not available, stuff still gets done, with the exception of posting my personal videos, which I should probably have a backup person that can post those when I am busy or have other priorities or don't want to get them done or I'm tired. Our challenge today for our annual challenge, our 365-day challenge to do one thing every day that centers us, our All About You 365-day challenge, was about smelling the roses and then something at home that brings us pleasure. So I think there's a couple of the stop and smell the roses ones in this particular volume. I don't remember it being in previous books that we've used, but it seems to be a strategy that they use in this book periodically. Like if I page through, I can see a couple stop signs and the stop and smell the roses. And I know we've had it, I believe it feels like we've had it at least once before. I could be wrong, but quick flipping is hard for me to find stuff. Or maybe we just had it in one of the previous years. It's the fourth year doing this daily challenge, so it could be we just had it in a previous year. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Today was about, oh no, it's right here. We had it on day 127, so that wasn't even that long ago. And that one, we just shared something that brings us pleasure at work. And this one is something that brings us pleasure at home. And I know we've got at least another one coming up. So maybe just 3 in a book. I think 3 in a year, that's probably okay, 1 every 100 days. All right, so stop and smell the roses today and share something that brings you pleasure at home. You don't have to do that here, but it would be kind of fun if you did. So that's what I'm working on. Working on some projects that are offline that I really need to get fire lit under myself about, because it seems like for the last couple of weeks I've taken that time off to be with family and friends and be relationship and family focused more than working on some projects that I need to get moving forward on. All right, that's all I've got today. Obviously, I am tired. I am pooped. I am going to recharge my batteries today, hang out with my 6-year-old granddaughter and probably my 3-month-old granddaughter for part of the day. I will be with you tomorrow. If I can help you in any way, if you have any questions that you need or looking for direction or help knowing what to do next, ask in the comments below. I'm awake enough to answer those questions. And I will be with you tomorrow, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, wide awake, and ready to share what is up and what I'm doing as I transition from the brick and mortar world to the online world. Have an absolutely amazing day, and I will be with you tomorrow.